Kia ora, I'm David Chastain with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at Everything You Need to Know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news that mixed US data that doesn't show their labour market retreating, along with weak Chinese data, has the greenback rising but bond yields falling. Commodities are out of favour. US mortgage applications fell last week to a 3-month low and approaching only half of the level of a year ago, held back by both a lack of inventory for sale in the residential market as sellers are reluctant to chase prices lower and higher interest rates. Meanwhile, their labour market just keeps surprising with its strength. We get the May non-farm payrolls data on Saturday New Zealand time. Today, the April job openings data surprised with an unexpected rise when a modest fall was anticipated. That pressure will keep the Fed on edge. However, the Fed's latest beige book reported economic activity that was little changed overall in April and early May. 4 districts reported small increases in activity, 6 no change and 2 a slight moderate decline. In Canada, they also report a reasonable expansion. Their first quarter 2023 economic activity expanded 3.1% from the same quarter a year ago, and they weren't the only one reporting better than expected economic expansions in the first quarter. India did too. The Indian economy expanded 6.1% year on year in the quarter, higher than the upwardly revised 4.5% in the fourth quarter of last year, and well above market forecasts of a 5% expansion. But it isn't so upbeat in China. Their official factory PMI contracted more in May than April, and more than expected, reinforcing the lackluster, even failing recovery there. The yuan is still under pressure. But their services PMI shows that side of their economy still expanding at a good rate, but a little less than expected and near the least of 2023. In international trade, air cargo demand in April continued its year-on-year decline, but at a slower rate than the first 3 months of 2023, with volumes falling 6.6% compared to April a year ago. The fall was about half that in the Asia-Pacific region, however. The US Treasury 10-year yield will start today at 3.63% and down another 7 basis points. And the price of gold will start today at $1,967 an ounce and up $8 from yesterday. But oil prices are 50 US cents lower at just on $68.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just under $73 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today a quarter cent softer at 60.1 US cents. Against the Aussie, we're marginally softer at 92.6 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're little changed at 56.4 euro cents. That means our trade weight index is down 20 basis points at 69.1. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chastain. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.